Welcome for a physics lesson. We are going to study a question on floating and sinking. Therefore, the question reads, a body of mass 6 kg and density 8,000 kg per meter cubed is completely immersed in a liquid of density 900 kg per meter cubed. Determine the upthrust force acting on the body. Therefore, this is a question which applies the principle of Archimedes. And we know that the Archimedes principle states that when a body is fully or partially immersed in a fluid, it experiences upthrust which is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced. Therefore, because we are given the mass of a body and the density of a body, then we can get its volume. Therefore, volume of the body is going to be, we know that density is given by mass out of volume, which means for us to get volume, then we should have mass divided by density. Therefore, volume of the body will be given by its mass divided by density. In this case, we are going to have a mass of 6 kilograms divided by 8,000. Therefore, when we take 6 divided by 8,000, you get 7.5 times 10 to the power of negative 4. 7.5 times 10 raised to negative 4. This will be meters cubed because it is volume. Therefore, now that we have the volume of this body and we are told that it is completely immersed in a liquid, then the volume of the liquid that is going to be displaced will be equal to the volume of this body which has been immersed in the liquid. Therefore, volume of the liquid, displaced will be equal to volume of the body, which is 7.5 times 10 raised to negative 4 meters cubed. Therefore, remember the Archimedes principle, which says that a body experiences upthrust, which is equal to the weight of the fluid it displaces. Therefore, now that we have volume of the fluid, and we are told in the question that the body is being immersed in a liquid of density 900 kilograms per meter cubed, then now with density and volume, we can get mass of fluid displaced. Therefore, mass of fluid displaced, mass of liquid, that is, liquid displaced, mass is given by density times volume. Therefore, a density of 900 times a volume of 7.5 times 10 to the power of negative 4, this will give us a mass of 0.675 kilograms. 0.675 kilograms. So that is the mass of the fluid. We have said that the mass of the fluid can now take us to the weight of the fluid, because we know weight from the chapter of force is given by mass times g. Therefore, 0.675 times a g of 10, this will give us 6.75 newtons. The weight of the fluid which has been displaced is now known, and it is 6.75 newtons. We had just said that according to Archimedes' principle, that this weight of the fluid displaced will be equal to the upthrust experienced by the body. Therefore, we say upthrust equals to the weight of the liquid, and the upthrust will be 6.75 newtons. Therefore, that is how the question is calculated. Thank you for following. Subscribe to Shifting Grades and share the link.